So we will be having, we will have the next function, which is the VLOOKUP. So when we say VLOOKUP, the lookup table can be on different worksheets or even so iyang i-lookup. So when we say lookup, so when we say lookup, tan-awon nimo ang iyang value. So when we B, that is vertical. So vertical is from down to bottom. May ara man siya padalong paba. So from top to bottom. Ang H lookup is horizontal niya ginapangita. So ang if function, you are going to look for two options only, the true or false. But in VLOOKUP, you're going to look up for the possible answer with multiple answer. Kung damo ka nga choices, there are multiple choices. But in if function, only two choices, true or false. But in VLOOKUP, you have multiple choices. So this is the syntax. VLOOKUP, open parentheses, the lookup value, the table, the column number, and the range lookup. So we have here an example. So customer ID is 333. Customer name is Ella Ortega. Then our shipping address is this one and this one. So based here on the information, to see the customer name and customer address, enter customer, okay. This is our table. Okay, so our lookup table is this one. Lookup table is on the other sheet. The lookup table is on the other sheet. So we're going to look for the price. Okay, we'll just have another example. Mm. So we have VLOOKUP. So we're going to have the same example, but instead of pass or fail, we have here a table, grade table. So let's say we will have 95 to 100. That is that is A. Then we have 90 to 94, that is B. And then we have 85 to 89, that is C. And then we have 80 to 84, that is D. So example lang, this is our grade table. So this is our grade table. And grade, and then we letter grade. Okay, we'll just try. So based here on our example, we have student's name, then we have the grade, and then letter grade. So we're going to determine whether ano ni siya nga letter grade ng 98, 78, 92, 84, and 88. So we have, in VLOOKUP, we have to look for four values. First is the lookup value. So, kung mahambal sa lookup value, ano ang sagaan natin value? So, in this example, we're going to look up the value for 98. Then, table, di natin kwaon nga table ang aton nga answer. So, this one. And then, column number in the table, ano siya nga number. So, we have, this is our table. Ano nga number, what number column is ang aton nga letter grade. So, this is our table, and we only have 2 columns on this table. So, the letter grade belongs on the second column. So, therefore, that is 2. So, when we say range lookup, that is either true or false. So, let's have here equal sign VLOOKUP, then open parentheses, and then we will, first is the lookup value. Our lookup value is 98. So click 98, semicolon, then the table array. Table array, you're going to highlight this one. And then you have to press for F4 to lock the table. It means that it will not change if you're going to apply for an autofill. Then semicolon, column index. So, ang aton nga letter grade, ikaduha siya nga column sa aton nga table. So, you have to put there true. And semicolon. The next is the range lookup. Range lookup is either true or false. So, kung magambal ka true, approximate match. In between lang, approximately. So, either from 95 to 100. But kung magambal ka false, exact gid dapat kung 95 gid siya. Kung 92 pa mi taon, makita ni siya dito, hindi siya nga in betweens. So therefore, mogamit lang ta sang true to check for approximate match. Okay, so we will change our table. Maybe we have to have it as 3. So this 100, 94, 89, then 54, 95, 90. 85, 80. So we have changed our table. So ginduha na to siya ka column. So 95 to 100, 90 to 94, 85 to 89, 80 to 84. So we're going to change also the column number here on our example because ang letter grade belongs naman siya on third column. So 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 already. Okay. So we were going to change this one. So we look up 98, 3, true. Okay. We have another example. So we have it here. Kuya. So we baliktaron ta lang niya. So that is 80 to 84. This is 85 to 90. 91 to 95. 96 and 100. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay. So we change this one, this is 80. Okay, so 80 is D. So 98 A, 80 is D, 92 is B, belong to here, 92. 84 is here, and 88 is C. So that is VLOOKUP and V functions. So class, if you have any questions, you just ask me or chat me so that I could clarify this this video. Okay, thank you.